What is up, spooky people? Welcome to another episode of Oddity Acres. Today, we find ourselves heading to Avon Lake for the Haunted Garage Sale and Hearse Cruise In. We do this every year. It's brought to you by the Cleveland Haunt Club, and it is so much fun. There are a ton of vendors. There'll be music. There'll be food trucks. Tons of stuff to see. Lots of friends will be there, so it'll be a really cool event. We brought you guys there last year for this event, so definitely want to bring you back this year, kind of show you what's new, all the updates, and of course, all the Halloween fun. So we will see you when we get there. Stay tuned. It is an absolute madhouse. It is just as busy, if not maybe busier than it was last year. It took us almost 35, 40 minutes of driving in circles to find a parking spot. On top of that, it's starting to rain again. So we're in there like swimwear, and we are headed inside to check everything out. So hopefully we stay dry for the time being. We'll see you and kind of play it by ear. So see you in there. These are super cool. Check these out. And all the bats. Allison's so bummed that she's not here today.
It's like really raining.
We are taking shelter. It is coming down, but we are kind of committed at this point, so it's going to be a wet, soggy day. But hopefully it'll clear up pretty quick. It's coming down pretty hard right now. We're sinking into the ground. Check this out. These are always really cool.
Body sprays in order of like muskiest to sweetest. Going for 30, 25.
This booth is fun. Look at this. That's a blast from my childhood. Check this out, guys. Anybody remember this?
Pour in the monster mix and freeze them back to life. Now you can scare everybody with bigger, colder, slimier creatures. Nickelodeon Thingmaker Chillatron Lab playset. Other molds and refill packs sold separately from Mattel.
Check these out. How cool. guys, check them out. Link will be in the description. Gotta love our friends over at Oktober's. Over in Lakewood, one of our favorite stores.
Yay! Thank you.
Yeah, not too.
And was asking someone, I'm already getting ready for the law school. Yeah.
Check out how cool these are.
How much are your candles?
Wow.
Depends on how big they are. That one's 20. The little ones are 5, 12. They go all the way up to 25 for the big ones.
And this is a cool booth as well. We kind of see them off and on.
Absolutely. Take your time. Everyone's
Theme of the day, Zoom.
It's still coming down, but it looks like it's slowed up just a little bit, so fingers crossed here.
Save the worms. We need to make it short.
Little keychains and magnets. This has become my new obsession lately, is Supernatural. If you guys watch it, leave it in the comments.
You want to buy it all, right?
Yeah, I'll take everything.
Like one of each, please. Almost.
I'm getting too good at this.
I know, I guess so.
I don't even have to look anymore.
Trees light up.
Oh, cool.
Trick or treat lights up. The skulls light up, and the house lights up.
Oh, how awesome. Very cool. And is this you guys here?
That's us.
All right, I will link it in the description. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Check it out, guys.
The boots do not light up.
Okay. This is getting ridiculous. These are awesome. Check these out. Yeah, I don't have any Crocs, but I should get some. Check these out. How cool. This is the Hazard Angel from Lakeview Cemetery in Cleveland. Wow.
These are some amazing pictures.
4 bucks for done. So I like haggling, but that's fair.
Got a bunch of the Trick or Treat Studio stuff. And lots of awesome t-shirts. I actually bought a t-shirt from this booth last year. They're really cool, kind of old vintagey. Got another one of our favorite booths, Dead Sled. These guys are awesome. If you guys haven't checked out Dead Sled yet, get on their website, order their stuff. It is freaking amazing. Makes a perfect gift for all you spooky people. These awesome tiki shirts. Hats. Stickers, patches. Check them out, guys. Alright, it is starting to slow down just a little bit. I had to take the gimbal off because I don't know if it's waterproof, so if I'm a little shakier this time, work with me here. Check this guy out. How cool is this? Wow.
Man, I'm upset.
This little guy.
Custom mugs and tumblers. Check out how cool all these are. As always, link is in the description if you guys want to pick something up. We saw this Nosferatu table at the Halloween flea market, and I loved it then and I love it now. How cool is this? It's little details too. Look at the cross at the bottom. I love that thing.
If you have any questions, just let me know.
Perfect, thanks.
Thank you.
Look at these. I love these things. Okay, sweet, awesome. They look so cool.
Oh, thank you.
All right, guys, Basket of Crazy. Check them out. The link will be in the description. All your Halloween needs. All the soaps you need. Alright guys, check them out, the Spooky Hive. Scentsy stuff, candles, soap's all you need. Check out this booth, how cool. This really is like all vintagey stuff. Love this. Wow. I love all this old Halloween stuff. It's so fun. This is like kind of like what's nostalgic to me. It kind of throws me back to my childhood. Oh, these are cool. Love those. All this cool stuff.
I don't have a back pocket. Well, I have one where my wallet is.
Alright guys, check them out. Lemon Haunt Studios. This is cool. Wow. Check him out, guys. He does all the molds, creates all these. If you guys are looking for some custom masks, like this is insane.
Powerful, right?
How much are they?
40.
Of course, can't take off without saying hello to our Ghostbuster friends. What's up, y'all?
Huh?
What's happening?
How much? How are you?
Good.
What's up?
Hey, what's happening, everybody? Hey.
Who you gonna call?
Hey.
That's it, this is a cicada exoskeleton there on the tree. That's
Oh
pretty
yeah, those cicadas. Those are cool. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Check these out.
I've seen that. I've seen where people have.
So if you guys aren't familiar with these, this is just like a outer shell of a cicada. And you hear that like, you can hear them in the background actually. All right, the rain kind of cleared up. We're getting a little bit of sunshine poking through, and we kind of had to hurry it along a little bit just because there was so much, you know, everyone was kind of packing up a little bit and the mud was getting really ridiculous. So we're trying to kind of hurry through. I hope I got enough footage of kind of everything that was to be seen around here, but we cannot leave without checking out the hearses. Let's go. This is like my favorite part of the event here. These are so cool. People put so much time and effort into decking out their hearses. It's like Pimp My Ride for spooky people. Plus you got the Cleveland Monster Club kicking it over here. Look at these guys. How many people were freaked out by that movie when they saw this guy? Holy shit, he's talking.
Doll, now sit back and learn from the master.
I love it. Love it.
These wheels are hard to find. And these are nice.
It's some early trick-or-treating going on here. Check them all out. If I don't get one of these for myself before I die, I'll definitely get one when I die. So it kind of works out either way. Look at these, how crazy. I mean, just to keep them in such great condition and spend the time to keep them going and keep them restored. The little details they put in here.
My name's Sled.
Got more Chucky.
I have 2 hearses. I have real tombstones. I have my own graveyard in my front yard lake.
We leave them there because they're so heavy.
I love it. Check it out. Looks like the casket has fallen out of this hearse. Check it out. Wow.
Hopefully.
This one is all Stephen King's It themed. Check this out. Hiya, Georgie. That's my best impression of the new It, not the Tim Curry It, which in my opinion was the best It. Check these out. Look at this. Look at the paint job on this guy. Wow. All right, that's gonna do it for another year at the Haunted Garage Sale. If you guys have not been here yet, what are you doing? I mean, I vlog this every year, so you guys should see how sweet it is and have to come check it out. But as I said, thank you guys for joining us on another episode of Oddity Acres. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. And make sure you check out the Cleveland Haunt Club. Make sure you check out the Ohio Reformatory. Make sure you check out all the vendors that I posted in this video, because they depend on your sales. They depend on, you know, the patrons to come and check them out, and you know, so they depend on you guys. So they come every time I try to talk a motorcycle drives by, especially on days I'm not wearing a microphone. Get out of here. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time on another episode of Oddity Acres. Stay scared and happy Halloween.